Alright, today on Repairs 101 I'm going to show you a couple of things I did this month to make my $500 beater a little bit sweeter. This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. Last time I scraped and wet sanded the sunburnt clear coat off, and then I prepped the roof and hood for painting, which I'll do at a later date. I also peeled off all this plastic fake chrome, and I found that acetone worked the best at removing the gum residue. FYI, if you rub up against something and some paint is left behind, you can generally remove it with a little acetone on a rag. So after 35 years, the cabin is predictably dirty, but it's in surprisingly good condition. You're going to want to use a wet dry vac on the upholstery. If you have stains, you can buy a shampoo or spot remover, or you can just try soap suds and a brush with your shop vac. Now, to deal with the smells associated with a 35-year-old pickup truck, I sprinkled baking soda liberally, brushed it in, let it sit for 1 hour, and then vacuumed it all up. So the floor was filthy and salt stained, but I made light work of it with some Armor All and a terry cloth rag. Sweet, am I right? Next time I'll show you what I did about this saggy driver's seat. And we'll see about getting some of these dents out.